All right, so welcome to another amino acid of the day. Here I have the amino acid histidine. So histidine, this is a very important amino acid in metabolism and in catalysis. Let's just look at the structure. So here's the alpha carbon up here. It's amine, it's carboxylic acid. These are modeled at physiological pH. And then that takes us to this group right here. That group is the imidazole group. It's a planar ring. It's got 5 members and it's got 3 carbons and 2 oxygens, right? So it's alternating, so it's an aromatic ring, and it's also an acid-base catalyst as well. So this nitrogen can accept a proton, and then it can be protonated. It's modeled here in its deprotonated form. And so this is actually important as an acid-base catalysis in enzyme active sites. So one famous example is the histidine residue in the catalytic triad of trypsin and chymotrypsin that helps proteins break down food in digestion, right? Now, when we lose the carboxylic acid group right here, we lose the carboxylic acid, then that becomes histamine. And histamine is a very important neurotransmitter and a signaling molecule that's important in the immune response and allergic reactions, as well as stomach acid secretion. This is also why antihistamines are useful in blocking histamine's effects during allergies. So that's where we get antihistamines from. Histidine also, this imidazole group, is also used to complex iron in the active site of hemoglobin, as well as to complex with iron in cytochrome C as an electron transport protein. So that's also very important. It's interesting to model because the imidazole group has a pK of about 6, so it loses its protein very close to physiological pH. So it becomes very interesting to actually model. So that's one of the things we have to take into account. It's also an important it's a semi-essential amino acid. It is one of the essential amino acids, but usually we do develop some pathways to synthesize histidine later in life. It is abundant in foods like meats, fish, dairy, as well as nuts and grains too. So in short, histidine is an essential biochemical multitasking protein and or amino acid that's vital in our enzymes.